Do you want to make the Instagram algorithm happy? Well, yes, then keep on watching this video. Now there are 4 things which makes the Instagram algorithm happy. It basically gives an indication to Instagram that, oh, this post is good, oh, this content is good, maybe you should push it to more people in the explore, etc, etc. The first thing being story swipe ups. The more stories you post, well, this is what I've seen from my experience as well. The days when I post 3-5 stories, I get like very minimal amount of views, but the day I post more stories, I get like, some days it's like double, or some days it's like I get 1000 views more than what I am usually getting. So the one thing is, put more stories. That loves Instagram. Second thing, as I mentioned, is story swipe up. Someone swipes up your story, Instagram really likes it. Third thing is using the latest feature. This is a no-brainer. We have all seen from Instagram Reels is the latest feature. It is pushing Reels to the next level. Instagram is literally like, use Reels, okay? And I by myself have seen a huge difference in my account after using Reels. My engagement has increased. People are just interacting with me so much more. The views, even if you see on my normal post, I get like around 3,000 to 4,000 views, but on my Reels it starts from 8,000 and it goes up till like, I would say 100k sometimes. Some of my reel videos are literally like going crazy. But that being said, use the latest features. As of now, it is Instagram Reels. That will literally make Instagram algorithm happy. Now, if you want to know how to go viral using Reels, creating the best kind of Reels will help you to not only get on the Instagram algorithm explore by Instagram algorithm, but also get real followers. If you want to know how, I'll just leave a link, the first link in the description. You can check it out. It is my Instagram masterclass, so you do not want to miss that out. The fourth thing which really makes Instagram algorithm happy is scrolling through the last of the carousel. Now, if you don't know what carousel is, carousel images are basically the album images which you just scroll through, and yeah, that's basically carousel images. Now, the engagement on carousel images is caught by the times you scroll. Like if you scroll towards the last of the carousel photo, Instagram takes it as an engaging post, and they boost your post to many more people. Now, it has been proven, because if you see a normal post, I've seen it on Urvi Designs as well. A normal post of mine, a normal one photo post of mine receives average views from Explore. However, a carousel post of mine reaches more people on Explore, because people usually scroll through it towards the end of it, and Instagram boosts it to more people. And lastly, the fifth thing is long engaging comments. Instagram love when you have a community, when you keep on talking. Instagram is a social media platform, so it wants you to be social. People want to interact, make people want to interact with you in the comments section. So people are going to like it, they are going to love it. And usually, have you seen this? Like, there are so many YouTubers even, and on Instagram as well, people let their viewers fight to each other on this random stupid topics. Why? Because that Instagram thinks that it is a engagement, like people are really enjoying this post, and it just boosts to more people. Same thing with YouTube. Instagram or YouTube does not see it as like, is this a fight going on, is this a nice thing? They just see is at an engagement boost, because it is pushing people to use the app more. So I mean, clever of those people who let their viewers fight. But yeah, you do not want to make your viewers fight, but maybe share an opinion, go have a chat with your followers in the comments, and that will really make Instagram happy. Those were the things which basically make Instagram algorithm happy. Let me know what more videos do you want to watch, and I will see you in the next video. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all of that stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye.